Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and how about one more Easter swag kit? I know you've loved the other ones, so I thought we'd do one more at least for this season. See if you guys like this one. It is adorable. It's very pink and fun and very Eastery. It's got this adorable little pink kind of felty, kind of glittery bunny, and he comes with all this fun stuff. He's got grass and flowers and berries, so I really like that. But I wanted to pair it with something that just really screams spring. So I found this really beautiful pink, kind of white dogwood stem. It's a mini dogwood, and it looked so cute paired with the bunny. We're gonna fluff everything around and kind of make it work for us. But to start out with, we're just gonna chop the bottoms of these stems off. If I go too fast, feel free to go find one of our other swag videos where I slow down a little bit. I'm going to make it the same way I always do. You guys love these swag kits this way, so why not just give you another one for every season? So for right now, I've pulled one of those dogwood stems down. I'm going to pull one kind of out. I'm going to pull one off to the left. And the reason I do that is so that when you go to attach it to your boxwood or your grapevine, it kind of gives you flowers all over. It's not just all going up towards the top. These guys are not wired like normal, but they have this nice, really hard plastic that you can bend to get to go where you want it to go. So I've kind of got it all moved around. I'm going to lay the bunny right on top, right in the middle. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to pull some of their greenery from that over to the left, fill in this little gap. How adorable is he? I think he's so sweet, and he kind of looks like he just fits in right there. Just really nice and simple, cute little Easter guy here. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to tie a bow. I was really feeling the pink, so I did 2 tones of pinks. I start with this dot, and I'm going to do the strip like normal. The strip you add in that's about a ½ yard is just really nice when you want to add variety of ribbon, but you don't want to add the bulk. It just gives you a little touch of it, and it definitely shows up in the wreath. Next, I chose a green and white gingham that's just really pretty. This is a really nice shade of green. It's not too lime. It's just like a soft spring green. I'm going to make a couple loops of that one. And then I chose this pale pink Swiss dot. It's a little bit lighter than the big dot. So pretty, matches the bunny perfectly. I'm going to do a couple loops of that as well. I'm going to tie that cloth covered wire right where my hand is. Tie that in a nice knot, and then take those 2 stems, go right underneath of that bunny. He's on a nice long little coiled wire. You're going to go right on top of him. Tie that in a knot, and now you're ready to twist that on. So again, if you have a boxwood wreath, this is perfect for that. You have a grapevine, it's going to look great. You could even configure this one a little bit differently for a lantern. I know I always post as well. You can put this on a mailbox. You can put it on a mantle. A lot of you that order these are just wreath makers, so you have great ideas. You come up and send us the funnest pictures of what you guys do with these. And it's not always a boxwood wreath. It's just really nice and easy to show it to you on a wreath so you can get an idea. But you guys have some of the cutest ideas with these. So I'm going to move all that ribbon around. I'm going to chop those, fold those in half, and get myself those cute little V-cuts on all my ribbons. Leave this pink light one a little longer. Bring this darker pink one down. There's the green. I'm going to take this pink one across there. Those little dogwoods look so sweet down there. And then now you can really just move everything where you want. Like these dogwoods, I think need to be right more like there. So adorable. How fun is that for Easter? It really just gives you that whole Easter vibe. Really nice and light, nice and airy, and the perfect Easter swag kit that is now going to be up on shopdeeslouisville.com. Go check it out or click the link right above in the caption.